everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then hi, my name is Shiny and welcome to the very first video of my birthday series. So from today I will be posting videos every single day till my birthday, which is on 11th September. I see so many YouTubers out there are doing this birthday series and I really wanted to do this and I am finally doing this. I'm super excited about it. So don't miss out any videos. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and also hit the bell notification so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle to stay more updated. And in today's video I will be doing a haul video, but instead of shopping from big popular brands, I love shopping from small Instagram stores, small businesses and not so popular websites. So I have recently shopped a lot of things from these Instagram stores and pages because these pages are super affordable and they have trendy, pretty, very cute and unique collection which I absolutely love, and I know you guys will love them too. So without further wasting any more time, let's get into the video. So let's start with clothing first. So the very first page, or rather a website that I will be talking about, is called Nomad. This is their Instagram handle and also I have linked it in my description box, as well as the website link is also given in the description box. They have cutest, trendiest outfits which I absolutely love. Let's start with the very first thing that I got from this store is this lilac top. I know you guys have already seen this so many times. I love this top. It has this stretchable body and puffy long sleeves. The material is kind of polyester but absolutely adorable top. It has this drawstring in the front. You can adjust the length of the top. You can also wear it as an off-shoulder top. Looks super cute. This top is currently out of stock, by the way, but you will find other colors in the same design. So the next top is my favorite. It's the same design. Looks so pretty, so cute, so cottagecore, so me. It's just as similar as the previous top. In this website you will find more tops like this. I love this kind of tops, guys. There is nothing much to talk about this. It's just exactly same like the lilac one. I'm in the size small in both the tops. Next up I have got is this one. I won't be wearing it because I wanted to sell this top, so before selling it I just shot this clip. This is what the top looks like after wearing it. I will include the picture here. Small size nahi thi, so I got the size medium and it obviously did not fit me, so I sold this top. Definitely go check out their page and their website. You will love it because they have huge collection of cute tops, dresses, bottoms, coats, etc. Next thing I have got is this beautiful fuchsia pink color dress. This very summery, very flowy. I think ye ulta hai, but I will show you guys in a bit. So I got this dress from the store called Lush by Red Vibe. The Red Vibe, I think you might know her. It's a very pretty fuchsia pink color dress. It has this puffy 3/4 sleeves and बहुत ही flowy dress है. The material is cotton, very comfortable beachy dress. I literally bought this dress to wear it on beach, but COVID की वजह से वो trip cancel हो गया. But anyway, I did click some amazing good pictures with this dress and everyone was asking about this dress, like where you got it from. So here it is. I got it from Lush Official. I am in the size small, by the way. Again, this website has a huge collection of trendy, unique outfits in a very affordable range. Every website that I will be talking about in this video are super cheap and super affordable. Cheap नहीं हुआ तो affordable तो होगा ही, because obviously I don't want to spend too much on a particular piece, so I always look for cheaper clothes so that I can buy more. Next I have got is this 3, like 1, 2, 3 tank tops, basic tank tops from this store called Style and Strike. They have recently launched their website too. Such a trendy collection they have, from tops, dresses, bottoms, coats, jewelries, bags, accessories, everything you will find on that store, and everything is so freaking cheap. Also the quality is worth the money. So first I got this lilac top which I am wearing right now. It has this slightly high neck and it's not cropped. Very stretchable and not so thick material. You can easily wear it in summers. Looks really chic and stylish. Then I got this white and this black. Similarly, Black and white one are little bit thicker than the lilac one, but again you can wear them in summer easily. You can style them in so many different ways. I love buying basic tops, and tank tops are my new obsessions. Then I have got this layered neck piece from this store. It's a 3-layer neck piece, but every chain is separated so you can wear them individually too, which is really great. But इसका third layer पता नहीं मैंने कहाँ रख दिया है. It has this very pretty small butterfly pendant, and third layer पे भी ऐसे एक butterfly था, but a bigger one. The quality is good, but as you can see ये थोड़ा सा black हो गया है, so it's not that long lasting. I wore it for 2 to 3 times, and yeah. Now moving on to the bags. So the very first thing I have got is this white bag from this store called Cool Fairy store, and it's this crocodile pattern shoulder bag. It has this one compartment and this chain detailing on the strap. The material is kind of thin, but what do you expect in such a cheap price? So I'm super happy. Similarly, I got another bag in this green color. This looks super trendy and pretty, goes with most of the outfits. I love this kind of shoulder bags. Recently these are so much in trend. And lastly, I have got this black sling bag from this store. Now I did not expect it that the quality of this one will be that good. Like, it has some unfinished detailing because you are getting this in such a cheap price, so I can ignore that just because the material is super good. The bag and the strap, like you can see how beautiful the quality is. It's really don't look cheap at all. It has 3 compartments and I loved this bag. They have the trendiest, prettiest bag collection. They have a huge bag collection. You need to check them out if you really are looking for something trendy bag. So go and check out their page. They also have launched their website too. I have linked every website in my description box, so yeah. Then I got this beige color cloud bag from this store called Mini Waist. Iski bhi quality is really good, but this thing looks a little cheap, but I can manage. It comes with this extra strap, so you can use it as a sling bag, and it does not have any chain system. It has this magnetic lock system, really secure. The bag is really spacious. You can keep so many things in here. You will find plenty of bags with great quality on the store. Since these are some basic colors, it goes with most of my outfits, so I had to get this. Now comes the jewelries that I have got from these small businesses, which I absolutely love. I love supporting these small businesses. I love buying from them because everything is handmade, everything is super affordable, and they have such trendy, cute, unique pieces. If you know me, then you know I'm a huge fan of these small businesses. I am totally obsessed. I love buying from them. So the very first things I have got are these 2 pendants. One is this sunflower and one is this daisy pendant from my favorite Instagram store, Shilp the Indian Handmaids. If you follow me on my Instagram, you already know how much I am in love. I am obsessed with daisies and sunflowers, and look how pretty these are. These are polymer clay jewelry, and love the quality and the finish, and according to the price you are paying, it's really good. If you are following me from a long time, then you already know I absolutely love the store. She is super talented, and you will find everything in such a cheap price at the store. I just keep buying from the store. You might have noticed that store is my go-to. Then I got this another kind of sunflower pendant. I am not sorry guys, I'm just totally obsessed with daisies and sunflowers. I just can't help. Anyway, this one is from the store called Kanila. I think I'm pronouncing it correctly. So it was a customized order. This is also polymer clay. Love the quality and love the finish, and yeah, it looks so pretty. Just look at this. Then I have got this very pretty neck piece from this store called the Trink Hub. It's a very pretty floral chain. It looks so pretty, and these flowers are made with beads. How cute is that? The quality is again so amazing. I have worn this so many times, and abhi tak it's really shiny and black bhi nahi hua hai. They have recently started selling bralettes in such an affordable price. Definitely check out their page. And she have also sent me this very pretty neck piece. It has this butterfly and the flower charms. She also had sent me a bracelet, but I don't wear bracelets, so I gave it to my friend. Then I have got this very pretty cherry earrings from this store called Annie B Finds. I mean, how pretty is this? It's so tiny and looks so cute. Amazing quality. I have bought this for a giveaway, by the way. And I have also got this hair clip from the store as well. It's for one of my friend. It has this daisy detailing, such a statement accessory. Just love it, love the quality. Everything that I have showed you guys, everything is handmade. How cool is that? Then I have got some hairbands and some scrunchies. So first is this very cute gingham pattern wala hairband. I just love this kind of hairbands, knotted hairbands. It's from the store or website called Mesmerize India. Absolutely love the quality, it's just really awesome. And iske sath I have got this pink scrunchie. Iski bhi quality, you can see how amazing it is. It looks so pretty, guys. Then I have got this 2 scrunchies and a hairband for giveaways from the store called Milkshake and Scrunchies. They have huge collection of scrunchies, hairbands, etc. Please definitely go check out their page. I have linked every page in my description box. And yeah, that is all about this video. I hope it was helpful and you enjoyed watching. If so, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also do check out all the website that I have linked in my description box. Comment down below if you want a part 2 of this kind of video. Share this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. Please go follow me there, and yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.